In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a Microsoft Visio document in just 5 minutes. Let's get started by opening your web browser. Once it's open, go ahead and search for Microsoft Visio. Now, you'll want to proceed to the Microsoft Visio homepage, where you should see an option to sign in. Click on that Sign In button. If you already have a Microsoft 365 account, there's a chance you might be automatically signed in. If not, simply enter your email address along with your password and any additional authentication that might be needed, like a two-step verification. Once you're successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on the Microsoft 365 Copilot homepage. From here, look for the section labeled Apps and click on it. Now, what you're going to want to do next is locate Visio in that list of apps. Once you've found Visio, go ahead and click on it to open the application. With Visio open, you'll need to locate the specific file you want to work with. Just click on a file to open it. After your file is open, head up to the File menu and click on Save As. For ease of access and backup, it's recommended to select OneDrive as your save location. This ensures that your work is securely stored in the cloud. After you've saved the file to OneDrive, the next step is to navigate to your file within OneDrive and click on its name to open it. When you open the file this time, it will generally be in view-only mode by default. So, you'll need to make another quick change to start editing. Look for the option that says Edit Diagram and select Edit in Browser from the drop-down menu. This will switch the document from view-only to an editable state. Now, you're all set to make any necessary changes to your diagram using the browser-based tools available to you. These tools are quite versatile and give you options like autosave, which backs up your work automatically, and co-authoring, which comes in handy if you're collaborating with others. Although the browser app usually saves your work automatically, it's always a good idea to manually use the save function from time to time just to make sure your changes are definitely preserved. And there you have it, a simple step-by-step process to help you edit a Microsoft Visio document smoothly and efficiently. Remember, whether you're tweaking the layout or updating data within your Visio file, these steps will help you make your edits seamlessly. Thank you for watching today, and happy editing!